What's up, family? Welcome back. Nothing, and I mean nothing, is more iconically Augusta than the Augusta National Pimento Cheese Sandwich. That's what we're gonna show you today. It's super easy. Now you can amplify this. You could take it over the top. You know what I'm saying? You could add some jalapenos. You could add some bacon. You could toast that white bread. But if it ain't broke, don't fix it, ladies and gentlemen. But this is the recipe that they use out at the Augusta National. We got 2 cups of freshly shredded sharp cheddar. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. You gotta use sharp cheddar, okay? And it's gotta be freshly grated. You can't use that stuff in the bag. Why? Because it's got cellulose in it, and that's not part of the recipe, all right? So we've got some fresh pimentos right here. We're just gonna dice these up. What's a pimento? A pimento is a pickled red pepper, all right? It's not spicy. It's got a great flavor, but all it is a pickled red pepper, all right? Don't overthink it. We got a nice rough chop on this bad boy. We'll throw it in there with our cheese. Usually about a half a cup, and I try to drain them before I put them in there, right? Okay? Also, about a half a cup of Duke's mayonnaise. Can't use any other mayonnaise when making this pimento cheese, okay? It'll ruin it. 8 ounces of Philadelphia cream cheese. 8 ounces of Philadelphia cream cheese. You can't use any other cream cheese, all right? Every other cream cheese is not as superior. Now, I like to flavor mine with some Lawry seasoned salt. That's the traditional seasoning of the Augusta National. Okay. And then I like to take a hard spoon, and then we're just gonna mix it all together, okay? Don't overthink it. Why are you using a hard spoon, Jody? Well, because sometimes that cream cheese gives me a little bit of a trouble, all right? But it's going together great. I left that cream cheese out a little bit on the counter. Kind of loosen it up a little bit. You can smell those pimentos in this bad boy. It smells absolutely amazing. Now, if you ever get a chance to get out to the Augusta National, one tip I do recommend is go ahead and get you some food. Whatever bag. Well, first go to the pro shop, get you some apparel and a bag, because you're gonna need the bag for all of the food that you're gonna wanna get, okay? Make sure you get a pimento cheese sandwich, all right? Make sure you get an egg salad sandwich, and make sure that you do one thing. Get yourself a turkey, well, get yourself a club sandwich, and get yourself a fried chicken sandwich, and combine those two. All right, I promise you that's gonna be a delicious sandwich when you get out there. But nothing is more iconic than this pimento cheese sandwich. And usually when you get out there, you don't have a bag or anything to put it in, and they don't give you any bags at the concession. All right, that's another tip. They do not give you a bag at the concession stand. You can only get as much food as you can carry. So that's why you should go to the pro shop first. Grab you a hat, grab you a shirt, grab you something for your wife for letting you go, or your husband for letting you go. And then you got a bag from the pro shop to put all that food in, right? Okay, we got our white bread, Wonder white bread. You can't use any other white bread. Now, unlike the National, I like it super thick on there. It's usually a little thin layer for those sandwiches that they give you. But I like it thick. 3 C's on it, baby. No pepper is in this. Just that Lawry seasoned salt. And there you have the iconic Augusta National Pimento Cheese. Players from all over the world strive just for a chance at eating this while playing the Augusta National. Nothing is more iconic, nothing is more Augusta than the Augusta National Pimento Cheese Sandwich, okay? Cut mine in half because I'm a classy individual from Augusta. Look at that right there. Absolutely beautiful, untoasted white bread. Let's give her a taste. Like I said earlier, ladies and gentlemen, if it ain't broke, there ain't no reason in fixing it. This is perfect, just the way it is. If you follow this recipe, you too can bring, if you follow this recipe to the T, you too can bring a taste of Augusta to your home, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for joining me for my master's recipes. Make sure you ring that notification bell, hit that red rectangle, subscribe to the channel, because I am your local Augusta barbecue dad. Nobody else is more Augusta than Jody Flanagan. We'll see you at the tournament, everybody.